how to listen ChatGPT text in audio. If you are using ChatGPT mobile app, Android or iOS, for this open ChatGPT app on your device. After ChatGPT gave you response, tap on hold the text. Enter any text and keyword for your GPT hold. After you find this red site download icon, tap on this. When you tap, you see this your keyword and vocabulary. Scroll down, look for the listen or speaker icon. This will be read text aloud. After then you tap on speaker icon. You can push or replay this audio. Tap on this option and see it.
Step by step. Works on Android, iPhone, and computer. On Android, Google App